Good morning from Lake Louise.
Yeah.
So, bit of drama. We were supposed to go to Lake
Moraine.
They closed the road, so you have to go 5 kilometers down the road, get a shuttle bus to get in.
It would have taken far too long.
It basically meant, because if you can see, sunrise is happening, so we would have missed it. So yeah, we chose Lake Louise, which was only 2 minutes down the road.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're running down, trying to make sure we don't miss it, because it is happening fast.
It is quite busy, but it's not too bad.
The camper van bit's empty, so it's just cars really.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's try and get down there.
Yeah. I'm going to whisper because it is very peaceful, very quiet. There's quite a lot of people up at the front deck there where we were yesterday, but it's not too bad. And yeah, we're going to just set up the camera, get some shots, and yeah, enjoy the sunrise. Well, Tony's taken like 1 million pictures. It's absolutely stunning. The light is just unbelievable. Yeah, we're going to jump back in the camper to have some breakfast because we haven't even eaten yet. Hopefully try and warm up, and then we're going to head to Moraine Lake somehow. Not sure yet. Okay, so we're back in the camper. Becky's queuing up for the tickets for the shuttle because basically it's absolutely rammed at Moraine, and the only real option is to get the shuttle bus. We're going to have to do that. I'm quickly going to make some sandwiches because we obviously won't have the camper then over at Moraine Lake. But yeah, it's all go, go, go. And yeah, we're hopefully going to get over there before 10. And yeah, this is so cool though, that like just making lunch in the car park.
Making lunch.
I love that.
Kettle's on for coffee. And just a little note, that car park at Moraine Lake must fill up fast because they close the road when it's full up. I thought it was roadworks, but it's actually when the car park was full. So basically, if you want to go to Moraine Lake and you want to park at Moraine Lake, I don't know what time you have to get up and go.
Like, well, what time were we driving past?
We drove past at about maybe just gone 6, 6:15 maybe.
Yeah, so like go there for 5.
Yeah, you probably have to.
I don't even know.
But this is a good option because you've got free parking here at Lake Louise. You got the shuttle which you pay for. But once you're parked, we can park and then we can get the shuttle and come back.
Oh yeah, the shuttle is $6 each.
$6 each for the shuttle bus, which is again not bad. That's like £4 in English money.
Yeah.
So yeah, all good.
And
I know I'm gonna make lunch.
It's pretty much full here
Yeah,
now.
this was empty when we first came in.
It's 8 AM.
And let's see, like there was literally no cars here.
Yeah, and it's 8.
Expose. There we go.
So yeah, you can't get here late.
That was empty.
Yeah.
And like out here, it was empty. We were like the only ones here.
It's crazy.
So that's mad.
Yeah.
Fills up really fast.
Basically, you cannot have a lie-in.
But you can get here early and have a good time because like I took so many photos, had freedom, there was no one on my shoulders. It was quite comfortable. So yeah, it's really, really nice. Just get everywhere early as you can.
Yeah. So it's 9 AM and we are heading down to the shuttle bus. And I think it only take like 15 minutes and then we'll be at Moraine Lake and we are excited.
And
it's a gorgeous day.
Parking is already full, it's 9 AM. They're turning people away now.
Yeah.
So again, reinforcing, be here early.
Okay, we've made it to Moraine Lake and we've come up to one of the viewpoints and it is unbelievable. That blue colour is like, it doesn't look real. It's crazy. It's so blue.
You can see it behind you, like over here.
It's so amazing. Oh, I love So we've decided on the hike we're going to do. There's about 6 or 7 hikes just from this lake, and we are going to do the Larch Valley / Minnestimma Lakes hike, which is 4.3k there and back, so it's 8.6k and it's moderate. So we think we're going to be okay.
Don't think we're in the mood for an advanced, are we?
We are not in the mood for an advanced.
So we're just going to do a photo shoot instead?
I can't hike in that dress.
No?
No, it's not very practical.
Are you going to ruin my pictures then?
Well, sorry.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so how are we doing?
Well, we're stripping. It's all uphill so far and we're 2k's in.
Yeah.
So bag swapping.
Yeah, we're
Bag
bag swapping.
taking off clothes.
Yeah.
And it's basically, it's constant switchbacks.
Yeah.
And it's about 2.5k up, just under, and then it comes straight back down the same way. But you might be able to see some people down there.
No, but it's 4.5.
4.5 there?
4.5.
Oh, sorry, 4.5 kilometres there, 4.5 back. But it's all uphill here, which means it's all downhill back. So I'm okay with that. But yeah, it's pretty damn hard. But you do get some older people coming up, and there's a guy carrying a baby, so it's not too bad. But it is definitely pretty tough. We need to train more. Alright, so walking through the meadows, is that what this is called?
I think it's the Larch Valley Meadows, I think that's what it's called.
It's absolutely stunning.
Yeah, and you've got the view of the 10 peaks and all of the trees, and it is just amazing.
It's, again, speechless.
Yeah.
It's like when we was at Lake Louise, I just didn't know what to say.
Yeah, it's mad, it's mad.
But if you're here, you've got to come and see the view.
I think we've got about 1.6 left until the lake.
And it's flat now at the minute.
Yeah, this is a nice break.
It's been flat for like 400 metres or so, so
I'm appreciating the break.
I'm really hoping it carries on. Alright, that flat bit didn't last long. We are now going uphill again. Again though, it does mean we're coming down for a long time on the way back, so that's always a bonus. Let's hope I make it. It's heart rate. Woo! I think I need my lunch. Okay, we made it to the lakes. Wasn't too bad. Got some really cool photos. We're gonna go up this ziggy-zaggy bit now. I think it's the Sentinel Pass or something like that.
Well, we're not really sure.
We're not really sure, but it's about a half an hour walk up, so it's adding to our walk. So yeah, we're just adding more to it, but then we come down, then we'll eat.
But I don't know if you can see that it like goes all across here.
Yeah, it's all the way up.
And it
It
like
goes back
zigzags up to here.
Yeah, so it's high.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we've left Tony. He's set up with his tripod. He's going to take some proper pictures, and we're kind of running out of time to be able to get back to get the bus before the last bus. So we're going to basically try and run up the thing. We're going to try and run up. We're going to get as high up as we can with the time we got, and yeah, just try and do it as quick as possible. Okay, 7 minutes into the climb. It's a joke. It's an absolute joke. It is so steep. I can barely talk. I mean, the views are incredible. You just got to be so fit. You've got to be fit and you've got to have enough time. We're trying to run up here. This is mad. Whew, okay, we're just trying to get to that, just to that corner. I think that's about all we can manage. Yeah. Whew. Let's do it. Where's my watch? I don't even know if you can see that. 11 minutes. We did 11 minutes. Didn't stop. Came up all the way to the first corner. And yeah, this is the view that we have.
There's not that much left to go either.
Oh man, that is incredible. What do you think? Do you think it's worth it?
Oh, 100%. It needs to go like to the full way because it's literally like, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like,
Same view.
oh, it's just there, so it's a higher view. But it's not going to be that different, it's just be a bit higher. Oh, that is amazing. running out of time. It's going to be a bit of a mad run. But yeah, so worth it. Absolutely incredible view. Yeah, if you've got the time, well, make sure you've got the time and go all the way to the top. Yeah, amazing. There he is.
No, he's dead.
He still can't hear us. He's there. We made it. Half an hour, Bex. We did it.
Did our goal. That's our goal for the day. Our steps are going to be amazing.
Our steps are going to be ridiculous. We made it back to Tony. Where is he? Still on the hill that we left. He's still where we left him. Up there.
Bottom now, back to Moraine Lake. We've got to get the bus back, there's a huge queue. We've got to get it in the next hour, so hopefully we can get on one soon.
Yeah.
We feel beaten up.
Absolutely wrecked. Like, I think we went up there really quick. And yeah.
Ran uphill.
It was hard work.
It was really tough.
Yeah, it's absolutely stunning now. Later in the day, because of the way the sun's come round and the colour, it is even better than
the lake
earlier.
like explodes into this like turquoise colour.
Oh,
it's unbelievable.
Such a dream.
Yeah, you got to see it morning and day.
Yeah.
For sure.
But yeah, we're going to jump back on the bus and head back to the camp.
Let's go. Good morning. From the rain. Is it Lorraine? Is it Lorraine Lake?
Lake Louise.
Where's the rain come from?
Okay, fun.
Bear.
A little black dot in the distance.
We're gonna do it though, right?
You know what happens when we get up as early as we did?
Sorry, guys.
My clothes are inside out.
Oh, are they?
Yeah,
That's what happens when you get up for sunrise.
yeah. Oh, he looks ready to run. He's gone off of his. There he goes.
If I drop the bottle, I apologise. The bottle might go rather than me.
Oh dear. Sorry, I just had to film that bit.
That's quite entertaining.